Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a line chart in Google Doc. Open your Docs file. Now select Insert option and select Chart option. And here we will find this line chart option. Select. This is a demo line chart already added here. Click on this chart and select three dot option and select Open Source. A new Google Sheet already open. And see this chart is style. And this is chart data. This is team. I read this team. First I read it series. Double click here. Series. Also I'll add new series here. Third column, new series. And I'll say this team or group name. And continue. And I'll update this price 50, 60. And see this graph what it is changing. And here it is 70. First 80. And rice price also is here 100. 122, 20, 150 here. And mid price she is not add here. First we type here 50, 10, 20 and 40. Now double click on this chart and select page setup option and click series option, add series. Here I will show this mid series, mid price, and see this. So already added here. Also I'll update here 20, I'll choose 40, this is I'll choose 15, and see this. And again double click here and chart setup. Now select chart customization. This chart is style. You can say chart background color. See this. And choose white color. And this chart theme font style. And this chart border color. And choose pink color border already changed. You can make it smooth, maximize, follow mode, compare mode, and chart axis and titles. This is our title. You can get this chart name. Line chart. I'll make it bold and middle. You can see this chart title color, and also you can change font size. And this is our series. You can change line color. See this. I'll choose the green color. All of this color. You can change a specific line color. Green. And this color I'll choose pink. And see this. And this one I'll choose see this. Now select Google Doc document and select update and see this chart already updated. Again go here and font size, you can change the font size, line thickness, and see this. All of this line thickness you can change. See this. And you can show error bars and see this. And data label. And this is trend line. And point size. I'll choose 2 pixels, you can choose 7 pixels, see this point size. And this is legend. You can change legend position photo. This is legend. This 3 legend. You can choose right. See this is the right position. I'll show it top legend. You can also change the legend color format, text color font size, and horizontal axis you can change it, reverse axis order color, same as vertical axis you can change it, and number format also grid line, major grid line, and major text and minor text. Yeah. Now again go docs document and update and see this. All lines are already created. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.